Jai Shri Gurudev. So in last class we already discussed about exercise problems related to the exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1. Some other problems. Question number 3. Question number 3. A wheel makes 360 revolutions in 1 minute. Okay. Let us consider a wheel now. Wheel. 360 revolution in 1 minute. 1 minute ಗೆ 360 revolution ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Practice ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ. So what is revolution already told? I will tell another time. Through how many radians does it turns in 1 second? 1 second ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು radians ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? Already told radians means angle of measurement now. 2 radians, 5 radians like that. Already told. 1 second ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು radians ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? What is revolution, sir? What is one revolution? One revolution ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ already told. So like that. ಇದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರೊಟೇಷನ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈ ಥರ ಇದೇ ಒಳಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಹೋಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಸೈಕಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಈ ಲೈನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಸೊ ಸ್ಪೋಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಪೋಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಸೈಕಲ್ ವೀಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಪೋಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸ್ಪೋಕ್ಸು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸೇಮ್ ಅದೇ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಗೆ ಬಂದು ನಿಂತರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ಥರ ವೀಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಸೊ ಒನ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆದರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಅರ್ಥ? ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ 1 ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್? 360 ರೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ವೀಲ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ವೀಲ್ಸ್ ಆ ಥರ. ಓಕೆ, ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಮೆಷಿನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ದೇ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹೌ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್? ಸಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ given what is a given number of revolutions in 1 minute. 1 minute okay, how many revolutions are? 360 revolutions. How many revolution in 1 minute? What is 1 minute? 1 minute how many seconds? 60 seconds na. So 60 seconds ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 60 seconds ಕೂಡ 360 revolutions ಏನ? 360 revolutions. So number of revolutions in 60 seconds also 360. Why? Because 1 minute is nothing but 60 seconds ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now calculate for 1 second. Why sir? By 1 second ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ. 1 second ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That's why had to calculate for the 1 minute. Number of revolution 1 second ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು. Number of revolutions in 1 second. In 1 second. 1 second ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ 60 seconds ಒಳಗೆ 360 ಆದರೆ 1 second ಒಳಗೆ 360/60. ಓಕೆ, 360/60. ಓಕೆ, ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಸೊ therefore 0 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್, 3 1 6 ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 1 second ಒಳಗೆ. 1 second ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? 6 ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ 1 second ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್? ನಾವೇನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಡಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ಇನ್ 1 second. ಸೊ 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೇಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. 1 ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೇಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 1 ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಸೊ 1 ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ನಾ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಒಂದು ವೀಲ್. ಈ ಥರ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ವೀಲ್. ಸೊ ಇದರ ವೀಲ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹಿಂಗೋಗಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 1 ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. 1 ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2π ರೇಡಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಹಿಂದಿನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2π ರೇಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಟೈಮ್. 360 ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್. ಈಗ ಆಯಿತು ಸೈಕಲ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ 360 ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ 2π ರೇಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, 1 ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೆ 2π ರೇಡಿಯನ್ಸ್. 6 ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೆ ಇಂಟು 2π. 6 into 2π 12π. 6 2 12π ರೇಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಇಟ್. ಸಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೀ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಸೊ revolution in 1 revolution angle traced is equals to in 1 revolution in revolution the angle raised. Okay. One revolution ಎಷ್ಟು angle ಆಗುತ್ತೆ already told now 2 pi radians. So 360 degrees 2 pi radians. Okay, 2 pi radians. Next, how many radians does it turn in 1 second? Number of radians. So therefore, one revolution angle raised 2 pi radians. Angle raised in 6 revolutions. Angle raised in 6 revolutions. Angle raised in 6 radians. In 6 radians. Okay. 6 revolutions. 6 revolutions. No, 6 revolutions. Is equals to 2 pi into 6 is equals to 12 pi radians. So this is the answer. Understood matter? So therefore angle traced in 1 second. The angle traced in 6 revolutions are 1 second. So that 1 second is bracket number 1 second. Yaak sir 1 second baritate antandre. So here 1 second ask number sir. So angle traced in 1 second bracket number 6 radians, 6 revolutions. So therefore 2 pi into 6 is equals to 12 pi radians. Okay na? So very easy problem, but some working somewhat difficult. That's it. Okay. So one revolution is equals to what? 360 degrees. Otherwise 2 pi radians cover ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. One revolution ಅಂದ್ರೆ so ಇದರ ಕವರ್ ಆಗೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay. Next we will move to the next question number 4. My dear students, see the next question. Question number 4. Find the degree measure of the angle. Find the degree measure of the angle subtended at the center of a circle of radius 100 centimeters. By an arc of length 22 centimeters. Okay, have to find the angle in degree measure convert ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Radian ನೋಡಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So I have to convert into the degree. How? Okay, it's very easy problem. One formula is there. No, L is equals to R theta. Already told in last videos. L is equals to R theta. One formula is there. No, by using that formula, you can easily calculate this type of problems. So let us take one circle. So I can circle down there. Okay. So this is one circle. Okay. Center of the circle. Okay. Angle subtended. This is called radius. R. This is R. So L. This is L. This is called L. Length of the R. This is length of the R. This is radius. Okay. What is the radius here? 100 centimeters. So therefore answer. Radius R is equals to 100 centimeters. This one radius. And this is the subtended angle theta in radians also. Okay. So L, length of the arc. Okay. Next length of an arc is equals to L is equals to what? L is equals to 22 centimeters. Over R is over, L is over. Next theta I have to calculate. Theta radians. Okay na? So L is equals to R theta. Formula is there. L is equals to R theta. What is the theta formula? Theta is equals to L by R. So therefore theta is equals to L by R is equals to what is L? This one 22 divided by 100. Okay, this is radians. So 2 1 11 by 50 radians. Okay, I had to convert this radians into the degree. Degree convert ಮಾಡೋದು already told now last video. How to convert the degree into 180 by pi. Radians is there now. This one radians. Degree convert ಮಾಡೋದೇನೋ 180 by pi now. So it is equals to I will do it here. I will drop this one once again. So is equals to 11 by 50 into 180 by pi degrees. This is degrees. Degree by measurement. In simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ that is the required answer. Okay. What is the pi? What is the pi? 22 by 7. So 11 by 50 into 180 by 22 by 7. 7 ಮೇಲೆ 7 ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ? 11 ones are 11 twos are 4. Okay. 0 0 cancel. Next 2 ones are 2 nines are 2 nines are. So what is our required? 7 9 9 is 7 63 63. Okay, 7 nines are into 5 twos are 10. So this is degrees. This is degrees. Okay na? So ಇದನ್ನ ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದು I will tell you. is equals to already told now divide ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 10 63 divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 10 6 ja 63 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 6 3 by 10 6 3 by 10. Sorry, here not 10 5. So cancel 2 1 2 9 cancel ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ 5 only. So 5. So 5 divided 5 12 63. So therefore is equals to what? What is the answer? 12 degrees 3 by 5. 3 by 5. If like that, cut out do not 3 by 5 into 60 already told us this is minutes. Directly minute. Okay. Next 12 degrees 5 1 ja 5 2 ja 10 12 3 ja 36 minutes. So this is the answer. 12 degrees 36 minutes. 12 degrees 36 minutes. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಈ ಥರ ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೇನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. ಸೊ 63 by 5 degrees ಇಂದ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, I have to do like this. So what is the formula we are using? So L is equals to R theta, theta is equals to L by R. So if whenever you are using this formula, theta is in the radians only. Guchittukodi, keep it in your mind. Very very important concept. Theta radians only irutte. Ee formula use ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ you have to use this procedure. Why? Because degree angles convert ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಯಾಸ್ ಕಡೆ the problem itself. That's it. Okay. Problem ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ convert it. If not asked means no need to convert. Right down same on radians ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ you have to do. Otherwise find angle ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ತರ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Okay. So this is the procedure you have to follow. So we will move to the another example problem is there. Homework I will give. Follow the example problem and do the homework. I will give the homework. Okay, my dear students. See, my dear students, how to do this one as a homework. I will tell how to do this one. Example 3, page number 53 ಒಳಗಿದೆ 53 54. Okay, find the radius of the circle. Radius of the circle in which central angle of 60 degrees. Central angle means subtended angle at the center. Central angle 60 degrees. Intersects an arc of length 37.4. Arc of length 37.4 centimeters. You have to use you can use pi is equals to 22 by 7 also. Okay. So if you consider a circle ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ. Okay. ಇದರ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ so this is radius, this is arc of length, this is theta. Okay, already told. Okay, so what is theta is given? See, theta is given. Theta is equals to 60 degrees, but don't use 60 degrees. You have to convert this one into the radius. Radius convert ಮಾಡೋದು. So it is equals to already told by 60 degrees ಅಂದ್ರೆ so 60 into 1 pi by 180. So 0 0 cancel 6 1 6 3. So pi by 3. Otherwise some students directly writing pi by 3 ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು. Already told no technique 60 degrees ಗೆ pi by 3 radians ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is radius. So this is theta. Theta is over. Next arc of length 37.4. Arc of length L is given 37.4. Next you have to calculate the radius r. So L is equals to r theta formula is there now. L is equals to r theta. R is equals to L by theta. L by theta. So L is equals to 37.4 divided by pi by 3. Pi you can use the 22/7. 22/7 use ಮಾಡಿ simplify ಮಾಡಿ you will get the answer. So answer is 35.7 centimeters per. Very easy problem. Okay, if you have any 50% say 70% problem ನಾನೇ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay, follow that. If you have any doubt ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮಾಡಿ. Page number 53 54 ಇದೆ. You have to do this one as a homework. Okay na? So example 3 is a homework. Next move to the next question. Next question number 5. See question number 5. In a circle of diameter 40 centimeters, the length of a car is 20 centimeters. The length of the car is 20 centimeters and diameter length is 40 centimeters. Okay. Find the length of the minor arc of the car. Like that is given. So let us draw one circle. Circle will draw. Okay. ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ okay, draw circle. Okay, circle with center. Okay, this is the diameter. Center. This is radius, and this is also radius. This is A. This is B. Okay, and center is O. Understood or not? So here, what is the circle of diameter 40 centimeters? So 40 centimeters is total. This one AB is equals to diameter length. AB is equals to diameter. AB is equals to what? 40 centimeters. 40 centimeters. Okay. Next, 40 centimeters. So O center andre it is bifurcated correct equal age divide agutte. Okay, so therefore OA is equals to OB. So automatically OB is equals to what? OB is equals to radius OB R is equals to OB is equals to 20 centimeters. Agada ilva? Why? Because so idu correct divide agutte. So this is 20 centimeters. This is also 20 centimeters. Radius, so this is also radius now. So therefore let us consider this is also 20 centimeters. Understood or not? Once again. So radius, this is also radius. A, C, consider this one C. So this is also 20 centimeters. And so I will draw one card is the drawn. So therefore this one. So this is called minor arc. This is called the minor arc. ನೋಡಿದ್ರಾ ಇದು ಎರಡು minor arc ಇದು minor arc ಅಂದ್ರೆ so ಇದು major arc. This is major arc, this is minor arc. So this is called L. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ L ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So what is this? BC. So already length of the car 20 centimeters. So this is also 20 centimeters ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. 20 centimeters. So ನೋಡಿ ಇದು 20 centimeters, ಇದು 20 centimeters, so ಇದು 20 centimeters. So ಇದು triangle ತರ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So all sides are 20 centimeters. Why? Because so this is radius 20. Card is given in the problem itself. That's why it is 20 centimeters. All sides are equal means which type of triangle it is? It is a triangle, equilateral triangle. So therefore OBC is a equilateral triangle. Okay. So therefore adu bariyana ನೋಡಿ BC is equals to length of the car BC is equals to what? 20 centimeters. BC is equals to 20 centimeters. Okay na? 20 centimeters. Here OBC is equilateral triangle na, correct? Triangle OBC is equilateral triangle. Okay. In equilateral triangle all angles are what? How? Equal. 60 60 60 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 60 plus 60 plus 60 180 ಆಯ್ತಾ? So all angles must be 60. So sum of the angles should be 180. So therefore here the angle is 60 degrees ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 60 degrees compulsory. So therefore a subtended angle is what? Subtended angle is equal to what? 60 degrees. So therefore theta is equal to 60 degrees. Theta is equal to 60 degrees. So 60 degrees na radian convert ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 60 into pi by 180 is equal to pi by 3. Already told this one. So angle theta ಬಂದಿದೆ. Radius by r ಬಂದಿದೆ. We can easily calculate the length of the minor arc. Minor arc easy calculate ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? Length of the minor arc. So I will do here. So therefore, so L is equals to r theta. L is equals to r theta. Formula is there. L is nothing but the length of the minor arc. So therefore, minor arc, length of the minor arc is equals to length of the minor arc. Length of the minor arc. Minor arc. Okay. So length of the minor arc L is equals to r theta. So what is r? R is nothing but 20. 20 into theta is pi by 3. So therefore pi by 3. So this is the answer. So therefore ಇದು simplify ಮಾಡೋದು by 22 by 7 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ is equals to 20 into 22 by 7 into 3. Okay, simplify it, you can easily get the answer. Okay, so therefore 20 by 3, 22 by 7, so is equals to 20.95. So is equals to 20.95 centimeter. Simplify ಮಾಡಿ. So 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4. So ಇದನ್ನು simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ 4 2 to the 4 440 divided by 21 ಮಾಡಿ. Simple calculator ಗೆ ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ will get the answer. Same 20.95 centimeters per second. So this is also one of the important but technique oriented problem. Technique ಇದೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So diameter ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ by using the diameter you can easily calculate the radius. Okay, so equilateral triangle, angle trace, like that you have to think. So only one information is given. ನೋಡಿ length of the car ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, length of the car ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, length of the car diameter ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಬಟ್ ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರನೇ ನಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಕಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ we have to understood the situation and we have to do the problem. Okay na? So this is the problem. What is the formula used? L is equals to r theta. L is equals to r theta. So my dear students, if you like this video means please share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt means so through WhatsApp you can ask. Otherwise comment below this video. Thank you.